When charging your TX, whether overnight, at home or on street, you can set a parking climate to pre-warm or pre-cool the cabin using the mains electricity. To set the parking climate timer, first make sure your vehicle is plugged into an available charge point. It's worth remembering the climate control system is automatically reset to the last set temperature and fan speed, so adjust accordingly before you plug in and set your preconditioned timer. To set a preconditioning time, simply touch Add Timer to create a new preconditioning timer. Set the time in applicable days of the week. You can also set a timer for a specific date. You can change the settings of a timer or remove unwanted timers by touching Edit List. You can also touch the preconditioning button to manually activate the vehicle climate. This restores the previously set cabin temperature without turning on the ignition. You can clearly see the difference between a non-preconditioned cab and one that has been preconditioned. Now that your cab is nice and warm and you have avoided the hassle of de-icing the windscreen and waiting in the cold, all that's left to do is unplug from a charge point and drive away.